guys, so I'm going to be installing some Toffee Mermaid wave hair into my Bronde Boho Goddess locks to make Bronde Toffee Mermaid locks, and yeah, I'm excited. So my locks, Bronde, wavy hair, Toffee, put them together, we're going to get Bronde Toffee. So in the Toffee pack, you get 15 to 20 strands of our Toffee Mermaid hair. Ooh, I already like this. And the idea is that you dot them around in your hairline in the front to give you the mermaid lock look. So I'm just gonna dot around about 10 to 12, I would say, into my hair. Oh, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yes. Oh, wow. So guys, these are the results of our Bronde Toffee Boho Mermaid Locs